Hi, so we have this young guy who's 25 years of age and who comes all the way from Bharuch, yeah, for his PRP treatment, right? And we have been on a long journey of PRP since how many months? Almost a year?
Almost a year.
Almost a year?
Yeah, more
and
than a year.
I would like to know how it has helped you out. Why did you opt for it in the first place?
Right.
And what transformations have you seen over a period of time?
Right.
Yeah. And how important is a commitment to all these procedures?
Okay, so I started about roughly a year back. I did not know exactly why I was having great amount of hair loss. I was searching on Practo, then I came across this clinic which rating was great. So I booked a consultation session and I met Anand and he explained me all the causes and I realized that I am having a male pattern baldness. Then we realized, after some discussion, we realized that PRP is the best way to go ahead for me. At that time, my hair loss was, very large amount, and after taking 3 to 6 sessions, it came down to roughly 3 to 5 follicles a day. I was taking PRP treatment with parallelly some medication suggested by Anand only, at the same time minoxidil. And now my density has improved, hair loss has become completely nil only, and you can see that I can get that shine as well from my hair, which is like natural only.
So again, how important is the commitment? How committed were you? Because this is the most important part. If you do not have patience, you do not have consistency,
right,
then these treatments are not for you.
Right. No, I was very committed. So whatever medications that was suggested to me, the frequency and all, I was taking very routine. In a routine way. Even after the lockdown, I had to come all the way from Bharuch to here. I booked my personal cab because I did not want to compromise with the safety and all. So I did not miss any of my session. I was here right on the time only. And I think that consistency did help me.
So you've seen an improvement in the reduction in the hair loss?
Right.
And an improvement in the
density,
hair quality?
Yeah.
And the density also?
Yeah, and I can get this, see the shine as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, how far is Bharuch from here?
About 200 kilometers.
200 kilometers?
Yeah, 200 kilometers.
Do you feel it was worth coming every month?
Yeah, absolutely.
200 kilometers
yeah.
just for half an hour in this clinic to get your PRP sessions?
Yeah, I've been coming since 4 to 5 months. So yeah, of course it's worth it. Yeah.
It was worth it, right?
Yeah, it was worth it. Yeah.
Alright, what is that one thing you'll like to tell people who are facing hair loss but just are delaying it because they're skeptical about such treatments?
Right.
So what is that something that you would like to tell them?
So I think biggest hindrance is the first step. From the time you realize that you're having a problem and you start taking some solution. So the lesser this time period is, the better for you. So just act upon it.
So true. Yeah. So time is the most important factor when it comes to genetic hair loss. If you take steps at the right time, you might never have to go for a hair transplant, like in his case. Yeah. He would never have to go for a hair transplant because he realized his hair loss at the early stage and he did something about it. So that's the most important thing with genetic hair loss or male pattern baldness. Thanks. Yeah. Take care.